first day looked really good for us. We are leading now the series here. I see this Luna second and Chitana third, which are battling for the overall series. Yeah, so far it went well.
For Luna Rossa and Gitana, it's going to be a full-on few days. Like the past winner, kind of been through that experience. The chances are it's going to be a very, very close-fought match, and I wouldn't be surprised if it comes down to the last race. It's going to be great to watch, and we're just going to enjoy racing alongside it.
Tough racing here, and you can see it's going up and down. We're looking forward for the next days, and hopefully we're still in the top there.
Improved on yesterday, which is what we were hoping to do, and I think we've closed in a reasonable chunk on what we were behind yesterday. So I think it's all about how you shape up on Sunday as opposed to where you are on day two. So yeah, if we can keep sailing well and keep improving, then we'll be happy.